All right, guys, Dennis Foster, Foster's Yacht Services in our shop over here at Riverbend Marine Center, which is on the other side of Lauderdale Marine Center. And you can see what we're doing here. We're cutting out our fabric and all of our fiberglass for some bottom damage on a boat that we have to vacuum bag and resin infuse. And you can see right here, they're cutting it out in a pattern of the same shape, and then they're gonna be staggering it. You can see different layers, and they can be staggered in different layers. This is really pretty good materials, E-glass. And you would figure, man, how do those guys cut it, right? They got a razor blade, they cut their hands, they use scissors. No, we use electric shears, guys. And it does the work for us. So you gotta work smarter, not harder, if you know what I'm talking about, guys. So when they do this, they're getting everything ready and got a lot of kits cut. If you look over here, you can see all the rest of the kits. It's a ton of fiberglass work that we have to lay because you have to do what's called plies. So plies mean individual layers. You could have 1.5 ounce mat, 1708, 1808, and then 24-ounce cloth, and finish it off with another 1.5 ounce mat. That's your ply groups. So sometimes it's 3 to 4 layers together, or sometimes it's just 2 at a time, depending on how it's spec'd out for the repairs. But very interesting stuff here. When you're doing a lot of the fiberglass, obviously, like in some of my last videos, you want to make sure you got your protective, your PPE equipment on, your coveralls, your head socks, your gloves, your face mask, and make sure you're protected, because if not, when you go in the shower and you leave work at night, you will be itching a lot. And I'm pretty sure for those of you guys that have girlfriends and wives, you're going to sleep in the other bedroom. So make sure you protect yourself, keep yourself safe, keep yourself clean, healthy, and most of all, do a damn good job. Dennis Foster, guys, in my own shop, signing out.